Hello friends, welcome to yet another video from this blog. Today I will show you how you can back up your WhatsApp chat on an iPhone. As you need to know that the chat backup process is completely different on an iPhone compared to an Android device. An Android device usually uses Google Drive to back up WhatsApp chats, which includes text messages, images, audio messages and videos, whereas the iPhone uses Apple's iCloud service. So before you back up your data, make sure that your iCloud service has enough free space so that you can easily back up your WhatsApp data for free. Otherwise, if you have consumed the 5 GB free iCloud data that you get with your new Apple account, you might have to buy additional data to store your WhatsApp messages on the cloud. Without wasting any further time, let us look at the overall process on how to back up WhatsApp messages on an iOS device.